The 2014 Mazda 6 key fob uses a CR2025 3-volt coin cell battery. To access it, locate the seam between the Mazda logo side and the key blade side of the fob. Insert a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool into the seam. Gently pry the case apart, being careful not to scratch the plastic. Avoid using excessive force. The fob is held together by clips, so work your way around the seam until the case separates into two halves. Once the key fob is open, remove the old CR2025 battery. Note the orientation with the positive side up before removing it. The battery may be held in place by a small clip or adhesive. Insert the new CR2025 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Ensure it's securely seated in the fob. Snap the two halves of the key fob case back together firmly until all clips are engaged. Test the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons within 10 to 15 feet of your Mazda 6 to confirm it's working. If it doesn't work, ensure the battery is correctly oriented and the contacts are clean. Clean the contacts with rubbing alcohol if there's any corrosion.